Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover three examples, example 1, 2 and 3. In last lecture we have covered the graphical representation of line. Lines are of three types: intersecting lines, coincident lines and parallel lines. If we take the equation of line, that is line 1, the equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and equation of line 2 is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, then if the two lines are intersecting lines, that is of the form L1 and L2 intersecting at one point, then the coefficient will be of the form a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2. The coefficients are a1 a2, b1 b2 and c1 c2 for line L1 and L2. If the lines are coincident, that is overlapping lines, then the coefficients of line will be of the form a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. And if the lines are parallel lines, that is never intersecting lines, are in the form a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2. Now example 1, we have to check graphically that whether the pair of equation is consistent or not, and if the lines are consistent, then solve graphically. Equation of line 1 is x plus 3y equals to 6, and equation of line 2 is 2x minus 3y equals to 12. First convert them into the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So for line 1 the equation is x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0, and for line 2 the equation is 2x minus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. Now the coefficients a, b and c for line 1 is 1, 3 and minus 6. For line 2 the coefficients are 2, minus 3 and minus 12. Now let us check for consistency of line a1 upon a2, a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2. Let us check 1 upon 2 equals to 3 upon minus 3. These two are not equal, that is 1 upon 2 not equals to 3 will get cancelled, that is not equals to 1 by 2. This is the condition for intersecting lines. That is a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2, and the intersecting lines have unique solution because intersecting lines intersect at exactly one point. To plot the lines on graph, we have to find at least 2 points for each line. First line is x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0, and second line 2x minus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. If we put x equals to 0, you will get 3y equals to 6, y equals to 2, and if we put y equals to 0, we will get x equals to 6. For second line, if we put x equals to 0, we will get minus 3y equals to 12, that is y equals to minus 12 upon 3, that is equals to minus 4. And if we put y equals to 0, we will get 2x equals to 12, that is x equals to 6. So we got the 2 points for each line. For first line we got 0, 2 and 6, 0. For second line we got 0, minus 4 and second point 6, 0. Now let us plot the lines on curve. First point is 0 and y is 2, and second point is x equals to 6 and y equals to 0. First line, this is line 1. For line 2, the points are 0, minus 4, x is 0 and y is minus 4, and x equals to 6, x equals to 6, then y equals to 0. This is the second line. The intersecting point is 6, 0. That is the unique solution, that is x equals to 6 and y equals to 0 is the solution of line. Now let us solve example 2. Example 2, the equation of lines are 5x minus 8y plus 1 equals to 0 and 3x minus 24y upon 5 plus 3 by 5 equals to 0. We have to check, does these lines have no solution, unique solution or infinite solution. First, let us remove 5 from the denominator. So we will multiply the whole equation by 5. We will get 5 3s are 15x minus 24y plus 3 equals to 0, and equation of first line, that is 5x minus 8y plus 1 equals to 0. To find the points, if we put x equals to 0, we will get minus 8y equals to minus 1, that is y equals to 1 by 8. If we put y equals to 0, we will get x equals to minus 1 divided by 5. For second line, if we put x equals to 0, we will get minus 24y equals to minus 3, that is y equals to 1 by 8. If we put y equals to 0, we will get 15x equals to minus 3, that is x equals to minus 3 upon 15, that is equals to minus 1 upon 5. If we see the points of both the lines passing from the same points, that is 0, 1 by 8 and minus 1 by 5, 0. Both the lines are coincident lines and have the infinite solution. The points of the lines are 0, 1 by 8 and minus 1 by 5, 0. Let us plot the lines on the graph. X is 0, y is 1 by 8, and when x is 1 by 5, y equals to 0. these two are the points. Line is passing through 0, 1 by 8 and minus 1 by 5, 0. Both the lines are coincident lines. Both the lines are coincident line, that is overlapping lines, hence it has infinite solution. Each point on the line is the solution, hence there are infinite solution. Example 3. In example 3, we have to convert the statement to the equation. So let us first take one example to convert the statement into equation. Age of A is twice age of B, and one more example, that is age of A. Let us take age of B is 10 years more than age of D. So to make the equation, age of A is twice the age of B, so the age of B is less, so we have to multiply the age of B by 2 to get the equality sign. If we take one example, that is if we take age of A equals to 10, then age of B will be 5. That is age of A is twice the age of B. Age of A is 10, that is twice the age of B. And if we put A and B in this equation, that is 10 equals to 2 into 5, the equation satisfies. In this case, age of A is more, so we have to multiply the age of B. In second example, age of B is 10 years more than age of D. Age of B is more, so we have to add in the age of D to make the equality sign. If we take one example, that is age of B equals to 20 years, then age of D will be 10 years. And if we put in the equation, that is 20 equals to 10 plus 10, the equation will satisfy, that is 20 equals to 20. In this case, age of D is less, so we have to add on this side of D. Now let us solve the example. Example 3. Champa went to a sale to purchase some pants and skirts. Let us represent pants by P and skirt by S. The first statement is the number of skirts, that is S. Skirts is 2 less than twice the number of pants. Number of skirt is 2 less than, so skirts are less, so we have to reduce on the side of P. Skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants, so we have to multiply on the side of P. We have got the first equation, and the second statement, that is number of skirts, that is S, equals to 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. Number of skirts is 4 less, so we have to reduce on the side of P, and 4 times the number of skirts, that is we have to multiply on the side of P. We have got two equations. Now to represent this on the graph, let us replace P with x-axis and S with y-axis. So the two equations, that is S is replaced by y, that is equals to 2x minus 2, and S is replaced by y, that is y equals to 4x minus 4. to make the line we need at least 2 points. So first put x equals to 0, we will get y equals to minus 2, and if we put y equals to 0, we will get 2x equals to 2, x equals to 1. For second line, if we put x equals to 0, we will get y equals to minus 4, and if we put y equals to 0, we will get 4x equals to 4, x equals to 1. We got 2 points for each line, that is x equals to 0, y equals to minus 2, and x equals to 1, then y equals to 0. For second line, x equals to 0, y equals to minus 4, and x equals to 1, then y equals to 0. For first line, when x is 0, y is minus 2, and when x is 1, then y is 0. So the lines is passing from 0, minus 2 and 1, 0. These are the points, and the line is passing from these 2 points. Second line, the points are 0, minus 4. When x is 0, then y is minus 4. When x is 0, y is minus 4, and when x is 1, y is 0. So these two are the points, that is 0, minus 4 and 1, 0. This is the second line, L2. This is line L1, and both the lines intersect at 1, 0, that is this point. Intersecting point is 1, 0, and that is the solution, that is x equals to 1 and y equals to 0 is the solution. If we put x equals to 0 and y equals to x equals to 1 and y equals to 0, x equals to 1 and y equals to 0, the equation will satisfy. If we put in first equation, that is x is p, so p equals to 1 and s equals to 0, that is y. 2 into 2 is 2 minus 2 equals to 0, and that is s equals to 0. Both of these satisfy. If we put x and y in second equation, that is p equals to 1, 4 into 1 minus 4, that is equals to 4 minus 4 equals to 0. We have s equals to 0, that is equals to 4p minus 4. The equation satisfy. Solution is Champa purchased pants, that is x equals to 1 pant, and no skirts, that is s equals to 0. In next lecture, we will start exercise 3.1. Thank you.